Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to just put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly push it. The slot will come out. So here you have to put your SD card, and here you have to put your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is detected. Are you going to ask? Okay, it's not gonna ask a PIN code because it's disabled, but as you can see, it asks me if I want to update preferred SIM card, and it asks me exactly because it reads the SIM card. And there's also notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.